You don't need huge investment or tons of professionals to bring in new clients. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta and today I am going to share 5 affordable and easy to implement strategies that can help you build a marketing plan that attracts new clients to your page. Number 1. Identify your ideal customers. One of the most common principles of an effective sales and marketing campaign is knowing the customer. But who is your ideal customer and how you can solve their problem? If you can find the answer to this question, I can guarantee you that no one can stop you. Let me explain this by telling you a story. There was a man who needed to hang a photo frame on a wall. So he went to a stationery shop to purchase a nail and a hammer. Obviously, the shopkeeper refused and directed the customer to another shop. Now, the man came to another shop and asked for the nail and the hammer. But instead of saying no to that customer, the shopkeeper asked the customer what problem he is having or why he is looking for a nail and a hammer. And after listening to his problem, the shopkeeper offered a better solution in the form of double-sided tape. So, like the shopkeeper, you should also listen to the customer's issue and try to solve that with your products or services. Now, let me tell you the answer of the question, who is your ideal customer or how to find one. The answer is pretty simple. Create a buyer persona. Buyer personas are simply a profile of the ideal customer of your business. For example, as you can see on the screen, I have also created a buyer persona for our business. This is a detail of our buyer persona in its raw form. I have mentioned their challenges, their pain points, and other demographic information. Keep in mind not to create too many buyer personas. Having 1 or 2 buyer personas in mind can improve the way your business targets its market and attract leads. Second strategy is use direct response marketing to attract customers. Direct response marketing is a popular tactic where you ask your customers to engage in a call to action. Usually, this involves responding to an email or opting into your email marketing group. The benefit of this type of marketing is you are building a roster of interested customers that you can reach out to with sales, events, newsletters, and other reminders to keep your brand in front of their minds. Direct marketing works best when you craft engaging, compelling messages designed to attract customers and their collective interest. Some brands do it by offering rewards for signing up. For example, say you are running a bakery. You could offer a discount on the next purchase after they sign up for an email list. And for others, just simply send them emails and frequently prompt people to sign up. For example, as you can see on the screen, that this company, Bakerista, send emails with an eye-catching subject line and provides a discount to bring them back to their bakery. And for others, they are sending prompting emails so that people get attracted and click the CTA button right away. Make sure to include calls to action on your website and in your brick and mortar store. Let people know that they might be missing out on a great opportunity with your business. Of course, to bring new customers and increase sales, you have to keep up with the emails. Send regularly newsletters with updates about new products, promotions, news about your business, and whatever else your customers may want to know. Third strategy is give your business a facelift to increase sales. Try to put yourself in the shoe of your customer and take a look at your website. Does it look professional? Does it fit your brand with proper logos and messaging? Make sure your website works properly. For example, take a look at my website. It is easy to navigate. Every link provided is taking you somewhere. No 404s are there, and proper information is provided regarding every service. And if your website is selling a product, make sure to add proper shopping and payment buttons that work smoothly. For example, you can see on the screen that Amazon has provided a proper add to cart, and buy now button so no one gets confused. Making your business look good is a great way to increase sales with the added benefit of pleasing your current customers. Fourth strategy is get the right words out. Above all, the best thing you can do to attract new customers is to spread the word as far and wide as possible about your business. It includes the target demographic, that is advertising online, in newspaper, or even on billboards. If your budget is too tight for a kind of expenditure, social media offers a great way to reach a lot of consumers for free. These days, word of mouth advertising is really word of internet. Reach out to your personal social networks and let them know about your business. Ask them to follow your business on social media and spread the word to their friends and beyond. So keep up an active social media presence and use it to stay in touch with your customers. Similarly, keep an eye on review sites. Encourage your customers to leave good reviews to boost your ratings. You should also address any negative reviews that may involve apologizing or offering a refund or free product or service as compensation. This shows them and everyone else on the site that you care about your customers. So these are the best 4 strategies to attract your customers to your business. What ways do you use to attract your ideal prospects? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward.